Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I will share this link once again and also answer a few questions that have come up today. So we are getting close to Windows 11 24H2 or Windows 11 version 2024, and what's happening is that there's going to be a change in the download page here at some point. So first of all, I'd like to say, if you haven't downloaded at least 23H2, it's not a bad idea to have the old version, the previous version, on a USB thumb drive, as well as the new version on another USB thumb drive. If something's wrong, doesn't work with 24H2, you can always go back and install 23H2 with the older version that you kept. Unfortunately, Microsoft does not make the older versions available anymore when a new version is there. So before the change happens, do check it out. You can download Windows from here, and you can download the image from this page. The question that I've got the most today after my posting is, when will the images be updated to 24H2? Now, one of the things that you should know is that you can already get the image of 24H2 if you just go to the Insider page and download the release preview. But if you want to have the official image, the ISO that will be released, my guess is that they will update this page on October 8th. Usually they update the page the same day that they officially release a version. And since the official release to everyone is Patch Tuesday, October 8th, well, I would guess October 8th will be the day where they will update this. And anyways, I'll have a video as soon as this is updated to 24H2 also. So the link to this page is in the description below. You can go and download 23H2 if you want. And soon we'll have 24H2, as it's getting extremely close now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.